Welcome to AVEVA PDMS tutorials. Today we will be starting admin module from the AVEVA PDMS. A lot of subscribers are asking for tutorials on admin module, so we are starting it from today. Uh, yeah. So before starting with admin module, let us start with how to make a new project. A lot of people are having problem with creating a new project. It's very easy. Let us go to the AVEVA folder which we have installed, and you can start with, let's say, project creation wizard. Okay, so we will start with project creation wizard, and you will get one tab which will create a new project. Now in this tab, first thing is the project name. Okay, so this name can be of 8 characters. It can be alphanumeric, so I can say, let us say, project 01. Okay, so that is more than 8, so I will go for project demo. You can assign code for that project which will be used as a reference for files which are getting created for that project. So that code can be of 3 characters, no numerics, only 3 characters are allowed. So I will go with PDO. Let's say PDO is my code for that project. Then this is the address at which all the files related to that projects will be created. Okay, so you can browse there, you can select any folder from your system to save that project, and whatever folders are getting created for that project will be saved at that location. Okay, so that is the address bar. You can select whatever address you want. Then there is a project variables. This is the initial part which system generates by default. So if it is not generating any variable, you can just go there and tick those variables and say apply. Those number of variables and folders will be created at the address location at start itself. Okay, so that is project variable. Existing projects, if you have created previously any project, that inputs can be copied on other projects. So that is the existing project. I don't have any existing project right now there. Okay, so yeah, and then there is a detail button. In detail, it will prompt for project. So I will say project demo 01, description, practice project, and messages, open this project. Okay, something like that. So this will be shown as an attribute of your project. Whenever you go for the attribute of a project, this will be shown. So if it is necessary, you can always enter this. This will help to reference your project with the attributes. Okay, so I am saying okay for that. Dismiss will obviously close your form. Okay, we don't want to dismiss here. We will just create a project. Now AVEVA will start creating that project, and you will get a message that project has been created successfully after say 10 or 15 seconds. Okay, so just wait for that message. Let system create all the folders and projects, and then we can launch that project from our usual AVEVA run. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, the project has been successfully created. So this will make sure project has been created. Then you have to directly dismiss, or let's say close this system. This application will close, and then we can go to run PDMS, our regular login window for our PDMS, and we can start working on that project. Okay, it will just take some time for launching for the first time. So these conditions for project title and code is very important. I will be listing those conditions at the description box also. Yeah, so this is where we start usually. So you can go to project, a small button, open project, and you will find our new project, that is project demo, which is created. PDO is the project code assigned for that. Project demo 1 is the name which we have assigned. Practice project, open this project. So that is basically attributes of this project will be shown here in this tab. Okay, so we want to have a project demo, just select that project. You will not have any username right now, so it will give error. So it will say it is only contains free users. Now for free users, this is very important. For free users, you can always go with the system as a username and 6 times X as your password. Okay, very important, system as your username and 6 times X as your password. We don't need to have MDB right now. Okay, you can go to admin tab and say OK. That will open your admin tab. Okay, so this is how you create a new project in PDMS, and then you start initializing that project, creating teams. Okay, working on admin tab, and then you can go to design tab and actually start working on the project. So this is the admin tab which you get after creating a new project. In the coming videos we will be discussing about this admin tab. Okay, thank you, keep following. I will be doing descriptions, details and description for this video in our description of this YouTube video. Okay, so do check that and keep following and subscribing my channel. Thank you.